I'm going to be showing you how to fix Safari can't find the server. So in order to find or fix the problem of unable to find the server error, the first thing you need to do is check your internet. So that's the most important thing. You need to always make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the next step is to ensure the correct URL is being used. So sometimes when you're using an incorrect URL, you may see something like that. So the other step is to clear cache. So in order to do that, you just need to go to settings. You can find settings right at the top. After you're here, just find the search button at the top and type in Safari. Wait for it to load, it's right there. Just tap there and scroll down and you can find clear history and website data right below export. Just go ahead and tap there, and now just tap on clear history. So this should clear your cache in your Safari. The other thing you can do is disable content blockers. So just scroll up till you find block pop-ups. Just go ahead and disable it. Sometimes this can also temporarily be affecting the server. You may also change the DNS settings if needed. But even after doing all of this, it's already resolved and there is no need. The last thing you can do is restart your device. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve temporary software glitches. So there you go, that's how you fix Safari can't find the server. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.